Good afternoon, everybody. I am going to explain about the broadcast networks today. So, to explain you about the broadcasting, I need to explain the types of transmission technology. There are many types of transmission technologies there. One is point-to-point links, second one is broadcast links, third one is the multicast links. Whenever you are going for point to point communication, you can tell that we are also going for peer to peer communication. So peer to peer communication means we are going for unicasting. Unicasting defines point to point communication. In this example, you see this is the server and many clients are there, but the server can communicate with any client at a time. That server can communicate with one client only. So this is if that communication is from single point to other point, then only we can tell that it is unicasting. So similarly, this is the example of broadcast communication. You see here, this is the switches, but at a time this switch is communicating with the multiple devices. So you see that whenever you are going for point to multi-point communication, we tell that this is broadcasting. Point to single point means it is related to unicasting. Point to multi-point communication means we tell that it is broadcasting. So this is another example of broadcasting. You see that this is an antenna. This is the antenna radius. How many devices will be there within this radius? They can be connected to antenna at a particular time. So this is the example of broadcast communication using antenna. So similarly, I can differentiate here that unicast, broadcast and multicast, and another type communication is there, anycast. I will explain you. You see here, this is one device is communicating at a time with one device only, then this is the example of unicast. If I am going to the second diagram, you see that this device is communicating with multiple devices at a time. We can say that it is broadcasting. But here you see that in multicasting, this device is communicating this device, but you see that here two colors are there. This blue color defines one group, this gray color defines one group. So in multicasting, it cannot communicate individual devices, it can communicate to one group at a time. In the group ID will be there, so that particular sender can send the message to a particular group ID, not the individual device. Similarly, if you are going for any casting, it is related to IP version 6. So you do not know till now what is the difference between IP version 4 and version 6. In the IP version 6, any device can communicate with any device, even if that device it is there in the particular group. So I will explain you later. So this is the broadcast network. Already I have told that what is personal area networking, what is local area networking, and what is the distance in which we can configure the network. Already I have discussed about the MAN one, and internet means globally all the systems are connected across this planet. But here one question is there, which type of transmission technology we can use? We can go for any type of transmission technology with any type of network. So now I will explain about the wireless networks. So you see that whenever all the systems are connected through a particular cable, we tell that wired network. If these cables are replaced by radio waves, we can tell that it is wireless networks. So here you see that we can set up a network, wired LAN, and similarly we can set up also wireless LANs. This is the example. If I am going to explain you about the PAN, personal area networking, this is a system. Wireless mouse is there, wireless keyboard is there, and wireless printer is here. Similarly, if I am going for a wireless LAN, you see that this is the base station. These are the devices. All these devices are connected to the base station or server through the radio waves. So cables are replaced here with the radio waves. We are telling that wireless LANs. So this is the example of flying wireless LAN. Whenever any flight, so whenever that we are traveling, so this flight, one router is there inside that particular flight aircraft. So that router is connected to the ground routers through the radio links, so that we can tell that it is like a flying wireless LAN. So home network categories that whenever we are at home, we are using the computers, maybe desktop, laptop, PDA. So it is coming under this all these computers, and we are using many entertainment devices like TV, DVD, VCR, camera, stereo, MP3. Similarly, many telecommunication gadgets we are using: telephone, cell phone, intercom, fax we are using. Then appliances like we are using microwave, fridge, clock, we are using. Then telemetry means whatever the meters, utility meters like water bill, electric bill, that meters or any vulgar alarm we are using, that is coming under telemetry. So these are the gadgets we are using at home, and different ways these devices are connected to the network. So then I'll go for network software. Network software I'll explain you in the next class. So I am closing.